It's being called the summer surge, coronavirus case numbers rising as the country heats up. The US reported 60,000 new cases on Wednesday, pushing its total over the 3 million mark. As well as that national number, at least 5 states, including Texas and Tennessee, set daily records of their own. Even as the numbers spiral upwards, the Trump administration still wants schools to reopen, even objecting to guidelines from the US government itself.
In these guidelines, there are 28 implicit acknowledgments that these guidelines aren't even feasible. 18 times it's mentioned that some of this might not be possible, and 9 times it's mentioned that some of this might not be feasible. So that's embedded into the guidelines, and one specific example I'll give you is on food services. Have children bring their own meals as feasible? Well, there are 22 million children in this country who depend on these meals at schools, who depend on access to nutrition in schools. So that's one example.
The Trump administration has also bet big on a vaccine, launching Operation Warp Speed in May to find one as soon as possible. Top US health official Dr. Anthony Fauci told news website The Hill that a vaccine could be ready by early 2021.
We're really cautiously optimistic that things are moving along quite well with more than one candidate. There are a number of candidates that are in various stages of development. The one that you mentioned, Steve, the Moderna one that was helped developed here at NIH, will very likely be going into advanced phase 3 clinical trials by the end of this month of July.
In the meantime, federal officials are trying to work out who should be first in line for a potential vaccine. At-risk groups like the elderly could be sent to the front of the queue. For now, though, there are much more pressing challenges as intensive care units fill up with COVID-19 patients in the worst-hit states. Giles Gibson for CGTN, Washington.